Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we are exploring something truly exciting and innovative, the Toyota Motorhome 2026. Toyota has always been known for its reliability, efficiency, and practicality, but this time the company has taken things further by stepping into the premium motorhome market. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome is a modern blend of advanced engineering, futuristic design, and luxurious comfort that redefines how we look at long-distance travel. This isn't just a recreational vehicle, it's a complete mobile living experience. From the outside, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 immediately grabs attention with its futuristic yet functional design. Unlike traditional boxy RVs, Toyota has gone for a sleeker, aerodynamic body style that gives it a bold road presence while improving fuel efficiency. The front end features a dynamic grille and slim LED headlights that stretch into the body for a high-tech look. Chrome accents around the grille and bumpers add a sense of premium styling. The sides are sculpted smoothly with large tinted panoramic windows that not only enhance its modern appearance, but also provide expansive views from inside. Toyota has cleverly integrated storage compartments along the lower panels to maximize practicality without disturbing the clean lines. At the rear, sharp LED taillights, a stylish bumper, and an optional bike or cargo rack complete the design. The vehicle rides on durable alloy wheels and advanced suspension that make it stable for both highway cruising and off-grid adventures. It's clear that Toyota wanted this motorhome to stand out as both elegant and rugged. Step inside and the Toyota Motorhome 2026 feels like entering a luxury apartment. Toyota has designed the interior with space optimization in mind, making sure that every inch counts. The living area greets you with a lounge-style seating arrangement covered in premium leather upholstery. The seats are ergonomically designed and can convert into additional sleeping space when required. The ambient LED lighting system creates a cozy mood, and large panoramic windows let in plenty of natural light while offering breathtaking views of the outside world. The entertainment system is built around a massive retractable 55-inch smart TV with surround sound speakers, Wi-Fi connectivity, and streaming support. The kitchen is compact yet fully functional, designed for people who love to cook while traveling. It features a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, microwave, and soft close cabinetry finished in wood or matte metallic accents depending on the trim. Countertops are made of solid surfaces that are both durable and stylish, and a stainless steel sink with modern fixtures completes the setup. The dining area sits just opposite, with a proper foldable dining table and chairs that can be tucked away to free up space. Moving toward the rear, the bedroom is one of the highlights of this motorhome. It comes with a queen or optional king size bed with a premium memory foam mattress, mood lighting, climate control vents, and built-in USB ports. The large windows here are equipped with automatic blinds for complete privacy. There's also plenty of storage, including overhead cabinets and underbed compartments. The bathroom doesn't disappoint either, with a spacious shower cubicle, premium ceramic sink, vanity mirrors, and even heated flooring options. Toyota has successfully managed to balance practicality with luxury, making sure owners never feel they are compromising while living on the road. Performance is where Toyota's expertise really shines. The 2026 Motorhome is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a high-output V6 engine with advanced electric motors. This gives it excellent fuel efficiency compared to traditional motorhomes while still providing enough power to handle steep inclines and long journeys. The hybrid system allows for smoother acceleration, lower emissions, and even the ability to run on electric power for short distances in urban environments. An advanced automatic transmission ensures effortless driving, while Toyota's all-wheel drive system gives confidence in different terrains. The ride quality is improved by an adaptive air suspension system that absorbs bumps and ensures passengers enjoy a smooth journey. Steering feels precise for a vehicle of this size, and Toyota has equipped the motorhome with multiple driving modes to adapt to highways, city traffic, or rougher camping trails. Safety has been made a priority with Toyota's Safety Sense package, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure assist, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking and maneuvering easier than ever. Noise insulation is excellent, meaning that even at higher speeds, the cabin remains peaceful. In terms of energy management, Toyota has gone a step further by adding solar roof panels that help charge the auxiliary batteries. This makes the motorhome more eco-friendly and allows travelers to stay off-grid longer without worrying about running out of power. Combined with its efficient hybrid system, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 is both environmentally conscious and practical for long journeys. When it comes to pricing, Toyota has made sure to keep it competitive compared to other luxury motorhomes. The base model of the 2026 motorhome starts at around $250,000,